I cannot touch them. I cannot touch these babies. These kids, I cannot touch them because number one is this, they did not resemble Kabiyesi. Number two, I reject and I refused to be deceived. If Olori Tobiloba can deceive all of you, me, I refuse to be deceived that these babies are Kabiyesi's babies. Allegedly, Olori Mariam said, my correct people, you see this matter for this palace, you no get part two. Even if you get part two, the part two go be so interesting. Like what we heard allegedly, you know that Olori Mariam, starting from the very beginning, she had been the only one that will say something and start by what she said though. I have seen it. I've noticed it too. She is the only person that will say something and you will see her stand by what she said. Whether true or false, she will stand by what she said. Because the very first beginning, the time we heard that Olori Tobiloba was pregnant, that time people were doubting it. People doubted it. In short, we did not see her with pregnancy bumps until we heard that she don't give birth. We started hearing her pregnancy. We started seeing her pregnancy bumps. But as it stands right now, they say that she has been welcomed back to the palace officially. I saw the video and I saw the pictures. But you know one thing, Olori Igbe is not happy. He's not happy at all. And the thing is this, Kabiyesi hid it from them. Why people, Kabiyesi hid it from them. The thing that is even giving them, peppering them well now be say, Kabiyesi hid Tobiloba's coming back from these Oloris. They were surprised. They were so surprised as they are seeing Mama Tadenikawo. The way they saw Mama Tadenikawo at the palace, that is the way they said that Kabiyesi surprised both from bloggers and the Ile-Ife women. To the extent that we even heard that some of the Ile-Ife women, some of the things that they wore, some of the Ile-Ife women that they are not happy at all. Yes, because they will be like, so Kabiyesi finally went and bring this woman back. But you know, the Oloris, their own is that they are complaining bitterly. Why can't Kabiyesi inform them? Do Kabiyesi need to inform them before he takes decision? Are they the king makers? So are they kings makers? If they are king makers, then that is when Kunemi will now tell them. When Kabiyesi will now tell them that he wants to bring back Mama Tadenikawo, but they are not. They just may if I wise them. My guys, my people, they say that they were not happy. If you see the kind of hate, the kind of anger that is burning inside of them, the kind of anger that is burning inside of these people, you will pity them. Especially Auntie Igbe. Auntie Igbe said that she cannot touch the babies. She cannot touch them. Number one is that they did not look like Kabiyesi. Number two, it's not as if that Tobiloba doesn't know what she's doing. She knows what she's doing. And the Igbe said that she's not going to touch the baby. They doesn't resemble Kabiyesi. Number two, she refuses to do the DNA test she was asked to do. Number three, she have planned it all, that she knows all her plan. My people, they said that Igbe said that she knows all Tobiloba's plan, and this is exactly her plan, that she should be welcomed back to the palace and she will be happy. That's all. But for her, that she refused to be deceived. That even if she deceived every other person, that for her nobody can deceive her. That she cannot be deceived though, and you people will expect her to go and touch Tobiloba's children. Anyway, guys, all thanks to Mama Tadenikawo. All thanks to Mama Tadenikawo. If not for Mama Tade, Olori Tobiloba for day where she did so, they cry as she used to cry. They mourn. they pray if she actually prays. Yes, so she'll be like, when is Kabiyesi bringing me back? Kabiyesi, please now. Kabiyesi, please now. Anyway, what Tadenikawo go dey try. You see this woman, she dey try well well oh. You see Queen Naomi na good woman wey she be. She have a heart of gold. She have a heart of gold. Okay, after that pleading with Kabiyesi and Kabiyesi accepted, people were like, where is she now? She's supposed to be here. Why would she be there in the morning? Because I think that it seems like that thing doesn't happen in the afternoon. Queen Naomi is supposed to go to church and they minister to people. And one thing again is that Queen Naomi cannot leave her church just because of Olori Tobiloba is coming back. She cannot leave her church. Yes, that is the truth, the simple truth. So guys, I don't know. I don't just know. What I know is that one with God is majority. Kabiyesi and Queen Naomi is with God. As Tobiloba don come back to the palace, abeg make she respect herself oh. As she don come back, make she respect herself. Make she no go the measure wink with Kabiyesi's wife, Queen Naomi. So guys, according to what we heard though, they say that Tobiloba, she's live there, live and direct at the palace of Ile-Ife Kingdom. The way she was even welcomed is another thing itself. She was welcomed officially, just that yes, she was welcomed officially with the help of Queen Naomi. She cannot stop telling or saying what Queen Naomi did for her. She cannot stop saying it though. But as for this, as for her and her babies with the Oloris, they said that they are not going to touch her, especially Igbi, because Igbi said that she knows everything from the Genesis. That for these babies, they are not Tobiloba's babies, and she cannot touch the babies. Number one is that they did not resemble Kabiyesi, and Olori Tobiloba did not do DNA test. That why would Queen Naomi even accept her to the palace without DNA test? That what kind of a thing is that? My people, if you see the kind of thing wey dey happen for that palace, some of the Oloris are really weeping or crying because Kabiyesi took them unaware, the same way that it happened in Queen Naomi's own. Anyway, guys, don't forget that all of these are alleged information. But you see Tobiloba's welcome this time around, I don't think it's an alleged information because we saw the convoy carrying them, we saw the people, we saw how they were celebrating her, announcing that the boys are back to the palace. That is Tobiloba's baby are back to the palace. They were announcing it, and Kabiyesi was happy. So guys, thank you, and don't forget that all of these are alleged information. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe. I love you guys. Bye.